I've got some really, really bad news. Yeah. Oh, oh. Wow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Clark Hazlett, better known as Adventure Athlete. And right now I'm currently headed to go pick up some footballs this morning because for those of you guys who have been following along on my daily uploads, tomorrow is going to be my big presentation for my sports product, which is called the Gridiron glove. So I'm going to be picking up a couple footballs to be having at our booth, as on Friday. For those of you guys that are living in the Portland area or here in the Pacific Northwest, you guys are invited to come attend basically our presentation of the glove, and I'll be linking down below in the description more information on that for those of you guys that might be interested. You get a chance to hang out with me and my team and also get a chance to win some pretty cool prizes. So I'm going to be catching up with you guys in a little bit once I get to my equipment manager's house, and then we're going to be headed to the studio because we got to talk because something happened yesterday that I need to tell you guys about. And yeah, with that said, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit after I pick up some footballs. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, your boy has got footballs on footballs. It is now time to head to the dollar store because I actually got to pick up one more little item for our booth for tomorrow. All right, guys, so I don't normally shop at Dollar Tree, but when I do, it's to pick up some Koosh footballs. We're gonna have these at our booth, so make sure y'all come by and get a chance to win yourself a football. Yeah, 14 footballs, ladies and gentlemen, in the bag. We're gonna have balls on balls on balls at this booth, so you guys better come out and show some love and support. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm now currently here in the studio, and as you can see behind me, Shannon is currently out here with me too. Make sure you guys go subscribe to her YouTube channel. We're trying to get her to 100 subscribers, and she said once she reaches 100 subscribers, she's actually going to start posting videos, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and with that said, I now want to share with you guys kind of what happened yesterday, because I failed the Adventure Athletes 50-day challenge, my own challenge. I failed it, and I was 15 days in yesterday. I really don't want to make excuses as to why I failed it. I simply did not go to the gym yesterday. I know I'm getting all ready for this project, but I still should have gone to the gym. And at the end of the day, the whole goal for this challenge is to show you guys, one, it's really hard to be doing so many things at once, but if you're really good at managing your time and making your health and fitness a priority, you should be able to get the job done. So even though I'm getting ready for football, I'm getting ready to launch this company, getting ready for this presentation, learning how to sing and play the guitar, and posting YouTube videos every single day, I still should be putting my health and nutrition as a #1 priority. The whole goal for this challenge was to have me push you guys for 50 days straight, and for you all to push me for 50 days straight, to make sure that I was accomplishing the 5 daily tasks, which those of you guys who are new to my channel don't know what the AA 50 challenge is, it's pop up right here. And to ultimately chase becoming the best version of myself, and for you guys to chase becoming the best version of yourselves. So with that said, guys, I'm going to be restarting the Adventure Athletes 50-Day Challenge on July 1st. So I want to be challenging all of you guys, especially those who are new, to be doing it with me. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I'll be updating y'all on my daily progress, as well as also posting every single day on my YouTube channel, which is a grind. For those of you guys that have aspirations of being a YouTuber, I'm going to be sharing with y'all soon the tips and tricks on how I've been able to successfully launch my own personal brand, and how I've been able to utilize YouTube to be able to help me for my future, especially when I'm done with my playing days with football. So with that said, I got some work here to do in the studio, and then Shannon and I are going to be running some errands because we got some business cards made up for the Gridiron glove. And then today is really, really exciting because we're also going to be getting our 3rd prototype. So we're going to be bringing y'all with us to go check that out. And yeah, with that said, guys, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Yeah.
What's up, guys? We are headed to go pick up our business cards here in downtown Mac, where we got our banner completed. And we just got word that our 3rd prototype will not be coming in time. So we kind of had to make arrangements and adjust our schedule to ensure that we get that special package for our presentation. In terms of what we still need to do, we need to still take down the booth and pack it up, rehearse our pitches a couple more times, and is there anything else?
I'm pissed. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, we are pretty much just about ready for the next 2 days, which is going to be really, really big and really fun. We've really prepared well for this presentation as well as just this overall project, and we're really looking forward to seeing what the judges' reactions are going to be, and the whole goal is to win the whole thing. So like Shannon was saying, we're about here to go pick up our business cards, and you guys will get a chance to see that, and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Yeah. All right, guys, so we're looking for Kathy. Oh, there's Kathy. It was, don't say your name, begins with an L. It's not Louise, it's Leslie. Is that right? Leslie's on the vlog. We just want to say thank you so much. We're hoping the business cards got done.
Yes, they did.
Yes. Yes.
And Leslie has them up there.
Awesome. Thank you, Kathy.
Guys.
Big shout out to Riley, Leslie, and Kathy. We pretty much know the whole store here now. They've helped us so much to make sure we get our signage and business cards done in time. We're not gonna be showing you guys a little sneak peek of what the business cards look like. Wow. So that's the front. What's the back look like? Gridiron glove. Amazing. We are now headed to run a couple more errands, so we'll catch up with you guys a little. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I just got back here with Shannon to the studio. We're about to be putting in a little bit more work, but real quick, we're just gonna give a little spin on the wheel and see what your boy lands on right here. Survey says, come on, give me a Gatorade. Give me a Gatorade. Ah, sticker. Well, I already have plenty of those. But yeah, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be here putting in some work for a little bit. As y'all found out, we're not going to be getting a prototype today, which is going to be kind of a bummer because I was going to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. But yeah, we're going to be here putting in some work, and then I'll catch up with y'all soon. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so like I said, Shannon and I are here in the studio putting in some work. Right now I'm practicing my pitch, and what I'm doing is I'm just recording it on my iPhone. This is going to help me memorize my pitch tonight, and then also just be able to review it easily tomorrow before I actually give my pitch, which you guys will actually get a chance to see. So for my pitch, I'm going to have about 30 judges sitting in front of me, so I basically have to like speak my intro as if I'm talking to them directly, so that's why it might not make a little sense in the beginning, but here we go. I know y'all have had a long day, but I have a very important question to ask you. Have you ever caught a football thrown at 45 miles per hour? If not, it's damn hard, and your fans feel like they just got hit by a pile of bricks. My name is Clark Hazlett, founder of the Gridiron Glove, a football training aid that bridges the gap between the difficulty and discomfort involved in catching a football. Now, do you want to catch a football being thrown at 45 miles per hour with the Gridiron Glove? Absolutely. So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I just got my pitch all recorded, and now it's just time for me to memorize. So we'll be catching up with you guys in a little bit. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm here with my team right now, and we're going to be practicing our pitches. First up is going to be Shannon, and yeah, we're going to see how she does.
No! I don't want to. This is scary. Okay. Hi all, I know it's been a very long day, but I have an important question to ask you. Have you ever caught a football thrown at 45 miles per hour?
Yeah, Shannon! All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for us to be breaking down our booth as we're going to be getting ready to pack everything up to head to Portland. All right, we're almost done. Shannon's carrying the computer, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, look at that little logo on the back. Ooh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it is now time to wrap up here in the studio. Oh, jeez. Big shout out to Amanda and big shout out to Shannon. They've been putting up with me for about 7 months now. And as you guys can see, the studio is now clean because we just packed up everything in 3 vehicles. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna be here in the studio for a little bit, so I'll catch up with y'all soon. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna conclude today's vlog. Really looking forward to the next couple of days as I'm gonna be bringing y'all with me all the way up to Portland, as you guys are going to get to see my team and I pitch our product and get the chance to know a little bit more about the Gridiron glove. Like y'all know, I failed the Adventure Athletes 50-Day Challenge, and I'm still pretty bummed about that. But I'm going to be picking that up again on July 1st, which is going to be this upcoming Monday. So with that said, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Yeah.